Hi Rebecca, I'm Mary Alice. I'm going to be Mr. T's OT, and I just kind of wanted to go over some of this information with you so you really know what's going on and you get a better grasp of what you can do to help and what he's going to be feeling and going through with us during this recovery period. So basically what's going on is we have all these receptors all over our skin, and they're bringing in information about the environment, all these little cells, bringing in information about our environment so we can be functional. So we know if something's hot or cold, we know if it hurts, we know if, we know where our body is if we're not looking at it. So what's happening, he's going to have problems because of where he hurt himself, which was on the right side of his spinal cord. He got some damage when he was stabbed. So it's called Brown-Séquard syndrome, and it means that he's going to have deficits with sensation. For right now, we're just going to go into sensation on the right side of his body and on the left side of his body. They're going to be different though. On the right side of his body, those receptors for light touch and for proprioception, knowing where his body is without looking at it, are going to the right side of the spinal cord, unfortunately, and then they're going up. Now, and me and you, they go up, they go into the brain, they're interpretive, we're aware of what's going on. For Mr. T, those signals are going up the spinal cord, but the bridge is down. They can't get through, so they're not going to the brain, and he can't be consciously aware. He's going to be very insensitive to touch. He's sometimes not going to be aware where his foot is without looking at it. So those are things that we're going to have to work on safety-wise and figure out what his environment is going to look like at home. On the left side of his body, he's going to have trouble with pain and temperature because those receptors are stimulated by pain or temperature, and they send messages to the spinal cord on the left side, but then it crosses over to the right side and goes up. So it crosses over to the right side, goes up, and again, that pain and temperature information is not getting sent to the brain, so the brain doesn't know. Even though your body is aware, your brain does not know, which is how we know. So he's going to have problems with those kinds of things. We might need to go into the home, see what his environment is like, see, because we don't want new injuries to happen as a result of old damage. So we'll get into all that, but I'm really happy to meet you, and I'm really excited to start planning out some goals with you guys and everything like that. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope it didn't overwhelm you, and I'll see you next time.